Do you want to start investing, but you don't know which platform to use or even where to get started? In this video, I'll break down 5 beginner-friendly stock trading apps that can help you start making money, even if you've never invested before. And stick around to the end because I'll share the app I think is best for beginners overall. So from low fees to easy to use dashboards, these platforms are designed to help you get started without needing thousands of pounds in the bank or years of experience. Number 1, Robinhood. Known for pioneering commission-free trading in the US, Robinhood is one of the easiest platforms for beginners to pick up. You can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and even dabble in crypto. The interface is clean, fast, and designed for mobile users as well. But there are some downsides. Robinhood has faced criticism in the past for outages, and it may not suit long-term investors who want advanced tools, but for beginners, Robinhood is a great place to start. And if you do want to get started on Robinhood, if you follow my link down below, you'll get a free stock worth up to $175. So get down there and sign up for it. Number 2, Trading 212. So next is Trading 212, which is very popular in the UK and across Europe. It offers commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, and the app is simple to navigate even if you've never invested before. One big advantage of Trading 212 is the Trading 212 ISA account. Now this allows investors in the UK to invest up to £20,000 per year without paying capital gains tax, which is a massive win for beginners looking to grow their money tax efficiently. It also has a practice mode, so you can essentially learn the ropes without risking real cash and make all sorts of bets and just see how your investments do without any sort of risks at all. The only drawback, sometimes the demand for Trading 212 is so high, they pause new account signups, but at the minute you can get involved quite easily. Number 3, InvestEngine. So third on the list is InvestEngine. Unlike the others, this app focuses mainly on ETFs, which are bundles of stocks. That makes it a great option for beginners who want a hands-off, long-term investing strategy. You can choose between a managed portfolio, where experts pick your investments for a small fee, or a DIY option if you prefer more control. The fees for InvestEngine are some of the lowest in the UK, and because ETFs are generally less risky than individual stocks, it's ideal if you're just starting out. Number 4, Freetrade. So fourth is Freetrade, and true to its name, it offers commission-free trades on UK and US stocks, plus a simple, beginner-friendly design. So what sets Freetrade apart is its focus on long-term investing rather than quick trades. They also offer a stocks and shares ISA, which again is perfect if you want to invest tax-free in the UK. They do have a premium plan if you want to invest in more international stocks, but for beginners, the free version is more than enough to get started. Number 5, IG. Now finally we have IG, which is one of the oldest and most established trading platforms. So IG has been around since the 1970s and offers a huge range of markets, including stocks, ETFs, Forex, and more. For beginners, the appeal is educational content. So IG has fantastic tutorials, webinars, and demo accounts to help you learn. The downside is that its interface can feel a bit overwhelming compared to the simpler apps we've looked at. Still, if you want a platform that can grow with you as you become more advanced, then IG is a very strong choice. So which app is best for beginners? If you want the absolute simplest way to start, then go for Robinhood or Trading 212. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, then InvestEngine is probably the one for you. And investing for the long term with tax benefits specifically, then you probably want to go for Freetrade or use the Trading 212 ISA account, as both of them are very good for earning money tax efficiently. But remember, no matter which platform you choose, only invest money you can afford to lose or afford to put away for the long term. But let me know which ones you're going to use and which ones sound the best to you. Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.